I think what has worked for us, which might not work for everyone, is we're not just a PD organization. Like we're not just a consultancy group. In fact, we see consultancy as our kind of secondary thing that we're doing. We are basically developing a network of teachers who think this way that want to share things with each other. We're one of the many networks amongst this massive decentralized space of people who are quote unquote restoring humanity to education. So we offer, like, we're on episode 137, I think, of our podcast. We offer a bunch of free resources. We have writings and blogs and conferences and all sorts of things, primarily of which are free. So we're developing and trying to create this space and ethos of share best practices in education, don't gatekeep those resources, and ensure that folks not only are onboarded to understanding why we want to make change in education, but more importantly, like, how do you actually do it? And the best way of doing that, as Nick just said, is in conjunction with students and young people and in conjunction with other educators. You can't just read the book and expect that you're just going to do it. You got to have a support group. You got to have a community of people that you're working with.